Today we're going to hook up the refrigerator to a water supply so we can get some cold water and some ice cubes. We're going to use this plastic line and we're going to run it from the saddle valve all the way to the refrigerator. The refrigerator we're going to put this onto already has a water line. It was a copper water line and it broke. So the first thing to do is, of course, shut off your water supply and pull out your refrigerator. So we'll do that right now. Now that the refrigerator is out of the way, you can see the old broken supply line. We're going to put a little rag on the floor here and we're going to use this adjustable wrench to remove the connection from the refrigerator and use a regular flathead screwdriver to detach the screw that holds the pipe. Now loosen the flexible pipe a little bit so it'll pull through when we pull on it from the bottom floor. We will now use the same adjustable wrench to disconnect the flexible copper pipe from the saddle valve, and the remaining water in the water line will flow out, and that's normal. We can now pull the water line out through the floor. We're going to use the kit that came with the water line to attach it to the refrigerator. Everything's included. There is a nut that has a ferrule inside it built in and a little insert to prevent the crimping of the line. We're going to put the nut in the insert and attach it to a saddle valve and tighten it with an adjustable wrench. Open up the saddle valve and let the water out to flush the line for about 5 minutes. We don't want the stale taste. And we have it drained here into the sump pump. Okay, close the line. You can now thread the water line through your floor and up to the refrigerator and pull it on the other end, pull it out, and make sure you get plenty of length there. Put in that nut with a ferrule and a little insert and connect it up to the refrigerator end. Tighten with an adjustable wrench and put the clip back onto the refrigerator and secure the line with the screwdriver. Now we can open up the water again and make sure that there are no leaks. If there are some, you may have not used a nut that includes a ferrule. Make sure you get plenty of length behind the refrigerator of the coil of that line, especially if it's a copper line. If it's a plastic one, it's not as critical, but with the copper line, you will stress that line every time you pull the refrigerator in and out, unless you have plenty of coil behind the refrigerator. Now with the refrigerator plugged back in, we can taste clean, fresh water.